Some of you watching may be just starting your journey in photography, while others may have extensive experience holding a camera in your hands. No matter which category you fall into, the Aperture Photo Training channel will have content to address learners from all skill levels. Now let's talk about why you are probably here: to learn photography. The how and where you start your journey in photography is up to you. Everyone watching this video has different goals, but if you are here, you obviously like photography. Perhaps you're a beginner and you want to take better photos as a hobby, or you simply want to improve your skills and learn some advanced techniques. Maybe you have a desire to make photography a career. If you are new to the world of still photography and you have a desire to learn, you've come to the right place. So where do you start? Well, you start with the fundamentals and you master them. By that, master the basics. Learn how to pre-plan what you envision in your final image. And pre-planning, as you may have guessed, is part of mastering the basics. That means you need to take the time to fully understand light and how it will affect your subject. It means you need to fully understand how light affects the objects within the image and how it will be expressed in your final composition. Next, learn and master photographic exposure. That is, how do you capture an image so you can see details in the light and dark areas and all points in between. Finally, learn and master controlling motion and depth of field. Part of good planning is knowing when to show motion in an image and when to freeze motion. The same holds true with depth of field. There are times when you want a sharp image from the foreground to the background. However, there are times where you want shallow depth of field so the background or the foreground doesn't distract the viewer from the important subject of your photograph. Mastering those basic topics is essential to your success as a photographer. Then and after the first year or so of learning the basics, and if you find you still like photography, continue learning. As the years go by, you will find that there are always new things to learn. You may also grow tired of photographing the same subjects all the time. Therefore, photographing new subjects or trying different interdisciplines of photography, it can recharge your love for photography. Finding new subjects to photograph can re-energize your passion and what drew you to this incredibly rewarding art form in the first place. Now and during that initial learning phase, take some time to reflect and ask yourself, what are my goals? What type of photography interests me? Do I want to shoot portraits? Do I like wedding photography? Would I prefer capturing nature or landscapes? Maybe you want to be an online travel photographer. Try different subject disciplines of photography to see which one you like. Perhaps you will discover you're a natural at one of them. Most of all, make it a fun exercise and do some research to see what interests you. Keep this in mind. As with any serious hobby or artistic endeavor, learning and mastering photography will take some time. More importantly, learning is a never-ending process if you wish to improve your abilities and capture better photos. In due time, hopefully this channel and the videos uploaded on it will inspire you to become a better photographer. Okay, let's talk a little bit about this channel. The overarching goal of the Aperture Photo Training channel is to present photography training in a more structured way. What that means is that all lessons will be organized by playlist, and those playlists will be separated individually by category or subject matter. It also means that each lesson within a playlist or category will be titled so you can easily follow a step-by-step learning process. What that all means is that the lessons found on this channel will be organized in a way that makes learning fluid and one that should not overwhelm a beginner. Over time, you will find that the Aperture Photo Training channel will be a one-stop shop, a place where you can learn the very basics of photography to intermediate and advanced topics. We will be uploading new videos at least once weekly for you to learn new photographic skills. In addition to the lessons that we've identified, we welcome your input. If there is a topic you would like to see covered, or you would like to know what is coming up on the channel, contact us through the Aperture Photo Training website or social media pages on the links listed below this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel using the subscribe button found below. Also, make sure to click the post notification bell so you never miss out on new content as it's posted. Last thing, please spread the word about this channel to anyone you think might be interested in learning photography. And remember, if you're going to shoot someone, use a camera. Thanks for watching.